हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एसएस ओडिया ट्यूटोरियल। आज आम बीएड एंट्रेंस एग्जाम बायोलॉजी टॉपिक रो सेल स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन रो एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन करबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु गेव सेल थ्योरी? ऑप्शन ए सचिल्देन एंड सचवान, ऑप्शन बी रुडोल्फ विर्चो, ऑप्शन सी वाटसन एंड क्रिक, ऑप्शन डी लेनोइक हुक। Right answer is option A. Sachilden and Sachwan gave the cell theory in the year 1839. Sachilden and Sachwan gave the cell theory in the year 1839. Next question. Cell theory explains that option A. Every organism consists of small units called cells. Option B. New cells form from pre-existing cell. Option C. Cells are independent from each other. Option D. None. The correct answer is option A. Every organism consists of small unit called cells. This is the explanation of cell theory. Next question. Who discovered cell? Option A. Robert Hooke. Option B. Rudolf Virchow. Option C. Watson and Crick. Option D. Leeuwenhoek Hooke. The correct answer is option A. Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in the year 1665 with the help of a crude microscope. Next question. The largest isolated single cell is that of isolated single cell. Largest isolated single cell means what about largest cell? कहाँ सबुठारो largest single cell पण गोटे cell थियारी तो सबुठ largest. Option A cyanobacteria. Option B an amoeba. Option C an egg of an ostrich. Option D an human nerve cell. Human nerve cell is divided into very small parts. So human nerve cell is not an amoeba. Amoeba is small in size. It is not largest. So the correct answer is option C, an egg of an ostrich. The egg of an ostrich is the largest cell, largest isolated single cell. Next question. Ribosomes of prokaryotic cells are option A 60 subunits and 40 subunits. Option B 70 subunits, 30 subunits. Option C 50 subunit and 30 subunits. Option D none. Ribosomes of prokaryotic cells means 1 RNA, ribonucleic acid and 21 protein equal to 30 subunits. Means गोटे RNA आउ 21 प्रोटीन मिसिले 30 सब यूनिट्स होची ताले 2 RNA and 31 प्रोटीन हेले 30 लार्ज प्रोटीन हेले ताले 50 सब यूनिट हो. The correct answer is 50 सब यूनिट and 30 सब यूनिट्स. Next question. Unlike the plant cell, animal cells have a centriole and a dash vacuole. Option A small, option B large, option C no vacuole, option D none. Option C and D is not correct. So now the two options are remain, option A and option B. In plant cell the vacuole is largest, so option A is correct. Animal cell have a centriole and a small vacuole. Next question. Which of the following do not have cell wall in their cell? Means कार cell wall नहीं in the cell रे. Option A bacteria, option B plant, option C fungi, option D animals. In plant there is cell wall, so option B is wrong. The correct answer is option D, animals. Animals do not have cell wall. Next question. Membrane bounded organelle is absent in, means so membrane bounded है organelle सेटा कोथरे absent. Option A prokaryotes, option B plant cell, option C animal cell, option D all three. So correct answer is option A, prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, the organelles bounded is membrane bounded organelle is absent. Next question. Cell wall is a dash structure. Option A semi-permeable, means option B selective permeable, option C impermeable, option D non. Option A semi-permeable means semi means टिके semi means कौन, what is mean by semi-permeable? Semi-permeable means a membrane allowing certain substance to pass through it, but not other substance, especially allowing the passage of a solvent but not of certain solutes. So the correct answer is option A, semi-permeable. Next question. Which of the following is the major site for lipid synthesis? Lipid synthesis पे major sites कोड़ा. Option A smooth endoplasmic reticulum, option B rough endoplasmic reticulum, option C Golgi body, option B peroxisome. The right answer is smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the major site for lipid synthesis. Means smooth endoplasmic reticulum है major sites for lipid synthesis पाएंगे major site चला. Next question. The cell is not applied for, means the cell code by applied no. Option A algae, option B bacteria, option C virus, option D fungi. Algae रे cell अच्छी, bacteria भी cell अच्छी, fungi रे भी cell अच्छी, virus रे cell नहीं. So the cell is not applied for virus. The cell theory is not applied for virus. Sorry for the typing mistake. The membrane around the vacuole. Next question. The membrane around the vacuole is known as, means कौन, तो membrane का जो vacuole around रहती है तब कौन कहा जाए? Option A tonoplast, option B erythroplast, option C cytoplast, option D amyloplast. So the correct answer is option A tonoplast. The membrane around the vacuole is known as tonoplast. Next question. The plant cell wall is mainly composed of जो plant जो cell wall अच्छी এটা mainly कोट composed. Option A protein, option B cellulose, option C lipid, option C starch. So the correct answer is option C cellulose. The plant cell is mainly composed of cellulose. Next question. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bags because option A parasite means suicidal bag means से निज को निजे मारी परिवो, से निज को निजे देख के करके खाई दबा तक से टाक पाई सेटा सुइसाइडल बैग कहा जाए. कौन पाई कहा जाए? ऑप्शन ए पैरासाइटिक एक्टिविटी पाई की ना, ऑप्शन बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ फूड वैक्यूल्स, ऑप्शन सी हाइड्रोलाइटिक एक्टिविटी, ऑप्शन सी catalytic activity. The correct answer is hydrolytic activity पाई की तको suicidal bag कहा जाए लाइसोसोम को. Next question. The fluidity of a plasma membrane increase with, option A increase in unsaturated fatty acid in the membrane, option B increase in saturated fatty acid in the membrane, option C increase in glycolipid content in the membrane, option D increase in physiophiloid content in the membrane. So the correct answer is increase in the unsaturated fatty acid in the membrane. The correct answer is option A. The fluidity of the plasma membrane increase in the unsaturated fatty acid in the membrane. The fatty acid करे increase in the unsaturated fatty acid increase कले plasma membrane increase, fluidity of the plasma membrane increases. Next question: the oxygen and carbon dioxide cross the प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ जो को मेम्ब्रेन जो पास करती क्रॉस करती को प्रोसेस द्वारा से पास करती. ऑप्शन ए एक्टिव डिफ्यूजन, ऑप्शन बी फैसिलिटेटेड डिफ्यूजन, ऑप्शन सी पैसिव डिफ्यूजन, ऑप्शन डी रैंडम डिफ्यूजन. Active diffusion is wrong, random diffusion is wrong, so the two options are left, option B and option C. So the correct answer is option C, passive diffusion. Oxygen and carbon dioxide cross the plasma membrane by the process of passive diffusion. Next question: the cell without a cell wall is termed as, means जो cell नहीं, जो cell wall नहीं, cell ला कौन कहा टोनोप्लास्ट, प्रोटोप्लास्ट, symplasm, apoplast. So the correct answer is option B, protoplast. The cell without a cell wall is termed as protoplast. Next question: the function of centrosome is, centrosome रो function कौन? Option A, formation of spindle fibers, option B, osmoregulation, option C, secretion, option D, protein synthesis. So the correct answer is formation of spindle fiber. Centrosome main function is formation of spindle fibers. Next question: which cell organelle is involved in apoptosis, pitosis? Option A, lysosomes, option B, ER, option C, Golgi, option D, mitochondria. So the correct answer is option D, mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Next question: which is the largest cell in human body? Means largest cell कोड़ा human body रे. Option A, ovum, option B, sperm, option C, RBC, red blood cell, option C, WBC, white blood cells. So the correct answer is option A, ovum. Ovum is the largest cell in human body. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.